Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how aimbots function on mobile devices. It is crucial to understand that aimbots are third-party programs that automate aiming, giving an unfair advantage. Using these tools on platforms like Roblox is a direct violation of their rules, which can lead to severe consequences. These consequences include permanent account suspension and potential security vulnerabilities for your mobile device, making it a risky endeavor for any player. The risks associated with using aimbots are substantial and far-reaching. Foremost, your Roblox account could be permanently banned, losing all progress and purchases. Beyond that, installing unverified applications from unofficial sources opens your mobile device to significant security threats. Such software might contain malware designed to steal your personal information or introduce viruses, potentially causing irreversible damage to your phone. Furthermore, many aimbots require root access, which immediately voids your device's warranty. Aimbot providers often market their software with enticing, yet misleading, promises. They frequently claim their tools offer perfect aiming accuracy, ensuring every shot hits its mark. You might see advertisements for features like automatic headshots and instant target locking, designed to give players an overwhelming advantage. These programs are also commonly advertised as being completely undetectable by game security systems. However, these claims are often false, and the risks remain very high for anyone considering their use. To ensure a safe and enjoyable gaming experience, always prioritize legitimate methods. Download all games and updates solely from official app stores, avoiding any unofficial sources. Crucially, never share your account credentials or any personal information with third parties, as this can lead to account compromise. If you encounter suspicious activity or players using unfair advantages, report them through the game's official channels. Embrace fair play and develop your own skills. This approach guarantees a more rewarding and secure Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.